Students, we are taking another example. It is example number 3. Two rails are represented by the equations this and this. Represent the situation geometrically. Geometrically means we have to show the equation by in the graph paper or graphically. So what we do? Let us take, let x plus 2y is equal to 4 gives line L1 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 12 is our line L2. Now solution for L1. For L1, what we do? When x is equal to 0, this implies y is equal to or 2y is equal to 4, this implies y is equal to 2. And when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, this implies 2y is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and this implies y is equal to 1. So we can write 0, 2 and 2, 1 are 2 points lying on L1. Clear? Now the box for this situation, zero, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Similarly, we will do for line L2. When x is equal to 0, this implies this part will be 0 and 4y is equal to 12, this implies y is equal to 3. And when x is equal to, I am writing here 4, x is equal to 4, that means 4y is equal to 12 minus 8, that is 4 into 2, 8, 8 will transpose from left hand side to right hand side, 12 minus 8, that is 4, and y is equal to, this implies y is equal to 1. So we can write here 0, 3 and 4, 1 lie on L2. And for this, the coordinate box will be x, y, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, and x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. Now we have two boxes, and the values for x and y, we find it. Okay. Now we have to plot these points on the graph paper. So got it. First point is 0 and 2. Here 0 and 2 is our first point, 0, 2. Second point, 2 and 1. This 2 and it is 1 here. This point, 2, 1. What do we do? It is our line L1. Similarly, here, second point is 0 and 3. It is 0 and 3 here. And next point is 4, 1. It is 4 and it is 1 here. Four, 1. Now join these 2 points. See, L1 and L2 are not intersecting. They are parallel lines. So these the lines are parallel. Clear? The lines are parallel. So students, let us take another example. It is example number 2. Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for rupees 9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for rupees 18. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. I think you all understood what is the question. रोमिला शॉप में गई, उसने 2 पेंसिल और 3 इरेजर 9 रुपए में खरीदा. क्लियर? उसकी फ्रेंड सोनाली ने देखा कि रोमिला के पास नई वैरायटी के पेंसिल और इरेजर हैं, तो उसने क्या किया, उसने भी 4 पेंसिल्स और 6 इरेजर सेम वैरायटी के 18 रुपीज में खरीदा. क्लियर? अब इस सिचुएशन को we have to show algebraically. Algebraically means equation form, okay, and graphically means geometrically, or we have to show this situation on the graph paper. Clear? So 2 pencils and 3 erasers for rupees 9. Clear? Let the price of a pencil be rupees X and the price of an eraser be rupees Y. So in case of Romila, what will happen? 2 pencils, that is 2 into X. 1 pencil costs rupees X. So 2 pencil, 2X. 2X plus 3 eraser. 1 eraser costs rupees Y. So 3 eraser means 3Y. 3Y. And total is rupees. Total of these 2 items, that is rupees 9. Okay. Let it L1. This shows L1. And in case of Sonali, 4 pencils and 6 erasers. 4X plus 6Y of rupees 18. That means it is L2. This we can show. This step is algebraically. Okay. Now we have to plot these 2 lines on the graph paper. So therefore for L1 is 2X plus 3Y is equal to 9. When X is equal to 0. When X is equal to 0, we get 3Y is equal to 9. This implies Y is equal to 3. And when X is equal to 3, when X is equal to 3, so this implies 3Y is equal to 9. 3 to the 6. 6 transpose from left hand side to right hand side. So 9 minus 6, that is 3, is equal to 3. This implies Y is equal to 1. So what is the coordinate box? That is X and Y. For X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 3. For X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 1. Got it? And similarly for L2. For L2, what is L2? 4X plus 6Y is equal to 18. Now put when X is equal to 0, This implies 6y is equal to 18. This implies y is equal to 18 divided by 6, that is 3. And when x is equal to 3, this implies 6y is equal to 4 is a 12. 12 transposed from left hand side to right hand side. 18 minus 12, that is 6. This implies y is equal to 1. For this situation, the coordinate box will be x and y. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, and same for x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. Now we plot these points on the graph paper. X-axis and y-axis, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. First point is 0 and 3. Here it is 0 and 3. Here it is 0, 3. Second point is 3, 1. 3 and 1 here, this point. 3 and 1. Now what we do? We will join these 2 points. It is line L1. Second line, the points are 0, 3, same line, same point, and 3, 1, same point. So again, we will show this is line L2. Now what you see? Line L1 and L2 are on each other. Clear? So students, what we studied here, there are 3 types of lines. First one is intersecting lines, second one is parallel lines, and third one is coincident lines. Here we can write the lines are students. One question is arising here. Will the 2 different linear equation in 2 variables produce a single line? क्या 2 different linear equation in 2 variables single line produce कर सकती हैं? Never. Why? Because they are not different. They are same. They are same and they are equivalent equations, or we can say they are dependent on each other. How? See here 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, okay, and here 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. If we multiply the first equation by 2, that means left hand side multiplied by 2 and right hand side multiplied by 2, we will get the same equation as equation number 2. So we can say here 2 different linear equations in 2 variables will not provide a single line because they are same or they are equivalent equations or they are depends on each other. They are depends on each other. Okay students, so now up to here what we have studied, 2 lines, either they intersecting or parallel or coincident.